Welcome to Math Mojo. Today we're going to be talking about ratios and proportions, more specifically proportions and cross multiplying. So let's start off with the definition of a proportion. It's a problem that contains two ratios that are equal where one of the numerators or denominators are not known. So over here we have two ratios that are equal, but we have the denominator is not known. And then in our next example we have two ratios again that are equal, but in this case the numerator is not known. So we say that the numerator or denominator is not known by putting in place a variable, so any letter in the alphabet. Now moving on, we have cross multiplying. So the definition of that is the method for finding the missing numerator or denominator. Now here are the steps to cross multiply. So step 1, set up an equation. So for our first example, we have 3 over 5 equals n over 15. So we're going to cross multiply 3 and 15. So we're going to multiply 3 by 15. And then we're going to put our equal sign. And then we're going to go the other way and do n multiplied by 15. So we get n multiplied by 5, Now, step 2 is to multiply the side that does not have the unknown number. So in this case, this is the side that does not have our unknown number. So we get 3 multiplied by 15, which gives us 45. And then we get 5 multiplied by n, since we didn't do anything on this side over here. Now moving on, step 3, using the side with the known and unknown numbers, so this side right over here, we're going to divide both sides by the known number. So we're going to take this 5 and we're going to divide it by both sides. So we're going to put a 5 in the denominator and we're going to divide by 5 over here. So on this side, the 5's cancel out and we're just left with n. And 45 divided by 5 gives us 9. So therefore our final answer is 9. Okay, now pause this video and try this example on your own and then we'll take it up together. Okay, so for this first question, we have our unknown number is in our numerator this time. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. We're going to do n multiplied by 7 equals, we're going to do 2 multiplied by 14, 2 multiplied by 14, and then we can start solving. So we're going to solve the side without our unknown number, so we're going to start right over here. So 2 multiplied by 14 is going to give us 28. And on this side, we still have n multiplied by 7. So now we're going to divide both sides by the known number on this side. So we're going to divide by 7. So on this side, divide by 7. And on this side, we're also going to divide by 7. So over here, the 7's will cross out. And we're just going to be left with n. And 28 divided by 7 is going to give us 4. So our final answer is n equals 4. Now pause this video again and try this example on your own and then we'll take it up together. Okay, for this example we have 3 over 4 equals to 123 over n. So let's start off by making our equation. We get 3 multiplied by n is equal to 123 multiplied by 4. So let's start off with this side over here and multiply this off to the side. 123 multiplied by 4. So if you'd like to learn how to multiply, I'll leave a link in our description. So over here we get 2, and then we have our 1 over here, and then we're going to do 4 multiplied by 8 plus 1 is going to give us 9, and then 4 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 4. So on this side we get 492, and we didn't touch anything on this side, so we'll leave 3 multiplied by n. And now we're going to divide both sides by 3, just like we did in our other questions. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So now we know our 3's on this side cancel out, so we're left with n is equal to 492 divided by 3. So we can quickly long divide this as well. If you'd like to learn how to divide, I will also leave a link in the description for that as well. So over here we can do 1, 3, and then we can subtract and get 1, bring down our 9, and then we can do 18, which is going to be 6 over here, subtract, we get 1, bring down the 2, which is going to be 4, 12, and a remainder of 0. So our final answer is 164, and that means our answer for this question, n equals 164. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and click here for the next video, and we'll see you next time.